If I create something with a group, who owns the copyright? I should check copyright.gov. I've found it. There are 3 scenarios in which copyright of created work is established. 1. Initial ownership. Copyright is granted by default to the author or authors of a work. Authors of a joint work are co-owners of the copyright. 2. Works made for hire. A work created for hire is owned solely by the employer or person for whom the work was prepared. 3. Collective works.
Each contribution to a collective work is owned by that specific contributor, distinct from the copyright of the collective as a whole.
For more information regarding copyright law, feel free to visit copyright.gov. Thanks for watching.